Unraveling the Mystery, the meaning of shag carpet. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fun and interesting phrase in the English language, shag carpet. This phrase might sound quirky to non-native speakers, so let's dive in and understand what it really means. Remember, understanding such phrases not only improves your language skills but also gives you insight into the culture behind the language. Shag carpet refers to a type of carpet with a deep, thick pile. Pile here means the upright loops or strands of yarn that make up the carpet. What sets shag carpets apart is their long, luxurious fibers, giving them a distinctive, fluffy appearance. They were particularly popular in the 1960s and 1970s and are often associated with retro styles. Shag carpets have an interesting history. They became a symbol of trendy interior design in the mid-20th century, especially during the 60s and 70s. Their unique texture and appearance were seen as modern and stylish. Interestingly, the term shag comes from the Old English word "cga", meaning beard or hair. This reflects the carpet's hairy and unkempt appearance. While shag carpets aren't as ubiquitous as they once were, they still hold a place in contemporary home decor. Today, they are valued for their comfort and aesthetic appeal, often used in bedrooms and living rooms to add a cozy and inviting feel. Modern shag carpets come in various materials, colors, and styles, fitting different interior design needs. Owning a shag carpet requires special care. Due to their thick fibers, they can easily trap dirt and require regular cleaning. Vacuuming with a beater bar or brush is recommended, and deep cleaning should be done occasionally to maintain their look and extend their life. Proper care ensures that your shag carpet remains a beautiful and comfortable part of your home. I hope this video has been informative and enjoyable, shedding light on the unique and interesting world of shag carpets. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English phrases, it's always fascinating to explore the stories behind the words we use. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next language adventure.